What is glucose and why is it important to understand it?
Glucose is also called blood sugar, right? And glucose is your body's favorite source of energy. So make a fist right now with your hand. Okay, so as you're doing this, the muscles in your hand are burning glucose to contract. And for everybody listening to us right now, the cells in your brain are currently burning glucose to understand what we're saying, right? Every single part of your body is burning glucose every nanosecond to keep you alive. And as human beings, the main way that we provide this very important glucose to our body is by eating foods, specifically by eating two categories of foods: starches, so that's bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, oats, and sugars, anything that tastes sweet, from an apple to my favorite triple layered chocolate cake, okay? So we eat starches and sugars and we give glucose to our body. So you might think, okay, I want lots of energy. Who doesn't want energy? So if glucose is my body's energy, I should give my body as much glucose as possible. I should eat as many starches and sugar as possible. Well, that's actually not the case. I love to take the image of a plant. Do you have any plants at home?
Many.
Okay. So you know that in order to keep a plant alive, you need to give the plant some water. But what happens if you give the plant too much water? It dies. Exactly. And the human body is similar. Some glucose, everything's going great. Too much glucose and problems start happening. Most of us are giving our bodies too much glucose. And this leads to a whole bunch of symptoms: cravings for sweet foods, chronic fatigue, brain fog, inflammation, faster aging, hormonal issues, and then long-term the development of type 2 diabetes. So my whole purpose is to teach people how to eat the foods that they love, the starches and the sugars, in a way that's not going to cause problems. So how do you keep eating the spaghetti and the cookies and the bread in a way that is not going to damage your health? That's the whole thing.